was a bright and cozy morning. Sunlight peeked through the kitchen window. Tintin stood beside Papa, watching carefully. Bowls, eggs, and flour were all ready on the table. "Let's start with flour," Papa said softly. Tintin held the measuring cup, her tiny hands a little shaky. She scooped. "Oops, a little spill." But Papa just smiled. "You're doing great," he said. Next came the egg. Crack! A little drip slipped into the bowl, and a tiny mess followed. Now it was time to mix. Round and round they stirred. Tintin giggled. But then, whoosh! A soft white cloud filled the air. Uh-oh! Tintin froze. Together, they poured the batter into a tray. In it went tick-tock. Tintin sat at the table, swinging her little legs. Her eyes kept peeking at the oven. Papa sat beside her, calm and patient. Finally, Papa opened the oven door. A beautiful golden cake. "We did it, Papa!" Papa smiled proudly. And in that cozy little kitchen, they made more than just a cake. They made a happy memory together.